Yeah, today, is it started?
Yes.
Today is fourth day of the yoga, hiking and the creativity retreat. So I came with my two best friends and we didn't expect it to be so good. We enjoyed every bit of it. The food was wonderful, wonderfully cooked and presented well. The hiking was so good because it was guided by both Erica and John. They made sure that we were very safe by protecting us in between them while walking. And the yoga sessions were wonderful by Kira. We had 4 sessions in 4 days. And what are the other things we liked?
The food was just beautiful.
Phenomenal.
I think
Yeah,
it was
beautifully
just amazing
presented.
food.
Yeah, very wholesome.
Yes.
Beautiful activities with Erica. I think she was
Yes.
lots
Erica
of
did-
dancing,
yes.
very energetic.
She dealt with the problems of creativity blockage, and she enacted a lot of ways how we can deal with it. And at the end of it, we made some resolutions, and we are hoping to work on our creativity when we leave here. So thanks, Erica. We are so happy to have. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to.
Yeah, I think all
Just
of
come
us
and have
would.
fun.
Thank you.
And also get into the creativity. Yes.